You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane.
So 2 days has passed and we have our makgeolli settled. So if you see, this is the clear part and this is the white part. So this is actually the alcohol part. If you let it settle more in the fridge, it will settle more and we can separate the alcohol part and the white part. If you explain it in a layman's term, it's the chopped rice. So this is the enzyme part and the alcohol part is up there. So this is the white part and this is the alcohol part. So if we separate them together, this white part can be used in skincare. So we use this for the mask and I also use this for the soap. So all this liquid and more goes to this soap and you can use this every day too, right? So I will show you now on how we're using this on our face. I need to wash my face and then put this on. We need to wait for 30 minutes to dry it off and then rinse it and I will show you how it looks. All right? Okay. So let's put the white part of makgeolli here and we'll use that as our mask. So you see my bare face. We are going to put this on my bare face. We will cover as much as possible. We use cotton so it can hold the liquid. Yeah. And then we will let this sit for 30 minutes. It will be like dried powdered rice after 30 minutes. We'll show you. Alright, so 30 minutes has passed and look at my face. It's filled with whites and makgeolli. The white part of makgeolli, the enzymes, is dried on my face. It looks disgusting. It doesn't really feel disgusting, but it's like tightening all of my face. So what we're going to do right now is to wash everything, including the neck part. Then we'll show you how it looks. So if you practice this the first thing in the morning, if you have time, and before you go sleep, this will help the texture of your face, the pores, and also the collagen production in your skin. So make sure the water is cold. Let's wash it thoroughly. Okay. So this is the face after the makgeolli face mask. If I feel my face, it's really soft, I think because of the rice. And also I can feel that it's bouncy. The skin is bouncy and it's really moisturized, and I feel so refreshed because makgeolli has a lot of vitamin C, which encourage the production of collagen, vitamin B, and also lactic acid, and also squalene. Then they are really good for the skin. So imagine if you put that directly in your skin day and night. Your skin will be tighter, your pores will be smaller, and your skin will be plumpier, right? No matter what age you are. Okay? So try it by yourself. It's really good. So even Louis is still a teenager. She is also using this as her face mask at least every 4 to 5 times a week. So look at her. She hasn't washed her face yet, but yeah. So try it by yourself. It's really, really good. Let us know how it goes with your skin, okay?
And don't forget to click that subscribe button down below if you enjoyed this video, and give it a big thumbs up. We love you all. Have a good day. Our Instagram is at the intersection. Bye.
Bye.